No?
Okay, come on. What color is this? What will you be cooking today?
Won't tell them.
You won't tell them what we're gonna cook? Alright, so sige, you pour it na. Okay, pour mo na, pour. Okay. Careful.
They close it, close
Yeah,
it!
it's close, it's close.
I-shopping daw, lutuin nyo na.
Siomay.
Wait, let me cut it.
Siomay.
Oh,
Tutuin na daw.
Luto na.
Uy, sinasabi lang. Dito may video.
Okay, I hold it.
Me?
Mm-mm.
Whoopoo, whoopoo.
Okay, I will slowly pour in the hot water, okay?
I'm covering. It looks like a warm water. We can breathe.
Careful, it's warm.
He can breathe. They can breathe now.
Use the other hand. Use the other hand, anak.
Yay,
Yan.
yay, 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 yay.
Careful, careful.
Wow, 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 wow,
Okay.
wow, 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 wow.
It's becoming thick. Let's add some more water. Oh, sige, halo mo lang. I'll get some more water. Gently lang. Okay, let me pour this again.
Wait, on this.
Up.
I think it's done.
Yeah, wait lang.
I think this is done.
Okay, now
It's
let's
okay.
add a bit more water.
Make him wet.
Okay, yeah.
I think he's getting luned.
Yeah.
I think this one he's getting scared.
Okay.
I think that one is getting really scared because he's almost getting body hot.
Okay. Is it nice? Now let's add in the milk. You add in the milk. Pour in the milk. Yeah. Careful.
Milk.
Hold hands. Hold the.
I can do
Yeah,
it.
you can do it. All right. Just pour.
Not the whole thing. Oh, wait.
Yeah, you pour everything, and then you
I
mix
don't-
while you're pouring.
I'm scared. It's
No,
gonna
don't be scared.
The,
No, use the spatula para ubusin mo yung nasa.
hold this. I can hold it.
Let me do it.
Because I'm scared it's gonna go to my fingers.
Alright. Okay, so stir mo
You
ulit.
do this for me because I don't like it.
Or you stir mo ulit. Stir mo ulit. Stir it
Whoa!
nice. It's like an experiment.
Yeah.
It's like an experiment. You're enjoying?
It's
Okay.
milk. It's milk.
Okay, now wait lang. Just keep stirring. Careful, baka tumalsik. Okay, enough na. Then we'll transfer it to a
I'll do it.
pan. Okay. Sige, you do it. I'll help you lang. Oh,
I can do it by my own.
no, you carry it
No,
here.
it's hot.
Hindi. It's not. Oh, let me do it.
I'm scared.
Careful lang. Okay. Then, we will cook it.
Let's pretend I'm cooking it here.
Alright, so I'll cook it now.
I will pretend it's cooking here.
Which do you want to use?
My favorite one is blue. Blue cartoon.
Okay, careful lang.
Let's scoop it
okay,
up.
now
We're
what
gonna
to
scoop
do?
it up.
Yeah, we're gonna scoop it up. Oh, wait lang. Careful. And then you will pour it into the molds. Okay, like that?
Okay.
Pag ganun. Kasi ito yung spout. Spout. Okay?
Spout.
Yeah, spout.
Spout.
Let's use the other hand.
Spout.
Okay, are you ready? Careful first. Okay, it might be hot. Okay. Baba mo. Dahan-dahan, baby.
This one?
Okay. No, the other one naman.
Oh, I thought that is it.
Okay.
That one is kind of hard. Tricky. Your hands is getting wet. You do it for me?
Okay. How about you use the small one and then fill them up?
I don't need help. I know this.
Okay, you
This one?
got this. Yan, just sa mga small ones. Sa small molds. Here, sa mga small molds. Yan, dyan.
It's kind of cute.
Great
It's
job.
kind of cute when they're here. I'm spilling some.
Yeah, don't try not to spill.
I'll let you. We're gonna fill these all up. I will try like you.
Great job.
Drip, drip.
It's alright.
Mhm.
Okay. O, dun na sa last mold.
These ones are just
And then what are we gonna do with them?
put them somewhere else.
Yeah.
We're gonna bake them.
No, no, no. We're gonna chill them in the refrigerator. Okay, and then we can eat them later for dinner. Bye, guys. Let's check later. Say bye, guys. Yeah, it's really quick, right? Bye, guys.
May kurba eh. Yung ilalim hindi.
Okay, taste it now. There's your
It's
jelly. It's jiggly.
Like Jigglypuff.
How does it taste?
Try.
Didn't you like it?
I like it, but it's like jiggly.
Of course, it's jelly. That's why it's
But
jiggly.
I like it's like its color. It I look like slicing it.
Oh, dali, kuha ka na.
Slice it.
Let me see. Let me
I'll
see.
slice
Let me
this
try it.
It tastes different. You taste.